Members of the jury, Exhibit A.
Did you enjoy it?
That is absolutely delightful. Hello, Jimmy.
Hello.
Natasha, up you come, please.
32-year-old Natasha has made a raspberry and pineapple millefeuille inspired by the flavours of a fruit salad penny sweet. Filled with raspberry puree and pineapple cream, served with mint leaves dipped in raspberry sherbet and toffee pineapple balls.
I think that's great. Oh, that's really good. So good, I'm talking in a squeaky voice.
The colours of it are really, really attractive and I want to dive in. It's everything I wanted when I kind of came up with this idea. The sharpness and sweet work really well together. It does give you that memory of a fruit salad. Really, really, really impressive stuff. Well done.
Your pastry layers are so fine, beautifully cooked, and inside there I'm getting sweet sharpness, sometimes of raspberry, sometimes of pineapple. I think it's an absolute delight.
The millefeuille is superb. Your pastry's really, really fine and buttery. There's bits of sherbet running through it, will give you a zing when you actually eat the whole thing. You love a bit of invention, and that's a fantastic invention.
I feel like I did the brief justice, and I'm just feeling proud that I managed to get it on the plate how I envisioned it, and they really liked it.
Inspired by pineapple cubes, 61-year-old Beverly has served roasted pineapple in a pink peppercorn syrup, pineapple caramel, butterscotch ice cream, and peanut brittle.
Members of the jury, Exhibit A.
Did you enjoy it?
That is absolutely delightful. The pineapple, it's syrupy and sweet, but not too sweet because you've got all the natural pineapple juice that comes out, which is refreshing. And then you crack down on a peppercorn every now and again, which sends you alive with pepper and spice.
The butterscotch ice cream had that lovely richness and kind of almost like toffeed sweetness to it. The pineapple was beautifully done. It still had some give. It hadn't sort of gone to mush. The brittle, fantastic. I kind of slightly blown away.
I loved it. Absolutely loved it.
I'm thrilled. I'm really, really pleased. Really, really pleased.
Good girl. Well done.
You've got lovely buttery pastry with sharp sweetness you get with rhubarb. I really like that.
Doing a rhubarb tatin is always going to be tough. And you've got it spot on, Claire. Crispy pastry cooked all the way through, and a slightly bitter caramel, which I really like. Your ice cream is wonderful and smooth with vanilla and lots of rosemary. Maybe a little bit too much rosemary.
I possibly could have done without the rosemary, but it's a beautifully sticky tarte tatin. Really, really impressive. Well done.
I took quite a traditional flavour combo and then threw in a heap load of rosemary. Maybe a bit too much, but I'm really pleased.